Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I want to show you how to check your tire pressure. Maybe one day you're walking outside into your driveway or parking lot or wherever you might be, and you happen to notice your tire's sitting a little low. It's not completely flat or anything like that. It's not something where we want to go ahead and replace it with our spare tire. If you did want to do that, you can also check out the video for that. But all we want to do is check our tire pressure, see if we can get this up to spec. So I'm going to show you where to find where your tire specification is, and I'm going to show you how to jack it up to the correct tire pressure. Here we go. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to come over to the driver's door. We're going to open it up. You'll notice there's a sticker right inside here. This one's kind of not looking the best, but essentially it says tire right there. Underneath it, it'll say front, rear, spare. Okay? So you just follow the lines over. Theoretically, it should say it right there, but you can't read that, so we'll just move along. Right here, this is the front. It says 32. Rear, 32 as well. That's what we're going to go ahead and fill those up to, 32 psi. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go right over to our tire. We've got our air gauge here. It tells us how much air is going to be going into it. Take off your valve cover. It's just a little cover, and that covers the valve in there, okay? If you press in the center, that lets out air. What we're going to do, just get this up on here. This tells us we're sitting at 24.5 psi. So I'm just going to go ahead and inflate it up to 32 psi, which is the manufacturer's specification for this vehicle. Keep on rolling. Once we get this to 32, we'll put the valve cover back on, and we'll move ahead to make sure we check all the other tires. There's 32. Valve cover. Put that on there, and check all the other tires. Easy peasy, right?
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.